5 stocks could revolutionize your financial future. OSCR Health, OSCR, projects $12.0 to $12.2 billion revenue for 2025. Enjoys 20% annual growth, recently achieved $12 in sales. Expanding health plans and technology with the Plus OSCR system. New holdings in use. Revenue reached $3.7 billion in Q2 2025. 40% year-over-year growth. Net income tripled to $637. Strong in Latin America with 123 million customers. VisionWave Holdings, VisionWave, shows consistent revenue growth. Focuses on data solutions and AI-driven analytics. Emphasizes adaptability and strategic partnerships. dLocal, DLO, reported $256.5 million revenue in Q2 2025. Experienced 50% year-over-year growth. Expanded internationally with new licenses in UAE, Turkey, and Philippines. Veritas merged with Cohesity, creating a data protection leader. Combined revenue of $1.6 billion, serving 10,000 customers. The merged entity ranks #1 in data protection software. Not all are familiar stocks, but they hold wealth potential. Which stock surprised you most? Share your thoughts.